Hey everybody. I know that lately you've been getting a lot of letters from Mark Krupski's office advising you that your property taxes have increased. And of course, Mark Krupski's also the person who counts the value of your, assesses your situation, and he's also the person who helps count the ballots in Olmsted County. So we know that he has some problems with numbers, shall we say, in my opinion, allegedly. But I received this nice little letter from Mark Krupski, and this video has been burning a hole in my brain for a couple of months now. So I paid my property taxes on Friday, October 15th for the previous quarter, half-year period of time. And actually, because I paid it on Friday, apparently Mark Krupski and his office didn't process it until Saturday. So technically speaking, my property taxes were late. Okay, did I get a phone call? Did I get an email? Did I get a knock on the door? Because Mark Krupski, you know who I am and you know where I live. I know. I've heard what you say to people. So I get this letter, and shall we just say that this came in months after my property taxes were late. And this letter advises me that my taxes were late, delinquent taxes for 2021 in the amount of $14.04. So the amount that was delinquent was $14.04. All right. A penalty plus interest was applied of $1.61, and then Mark Krupski leveled a fee of $40. $40 on an amount late of $14.04. So the total amount due came to $55.65. Big deal, right? Wrong. Instead of telling me about it, all that time trickles by, tick tock, and at the same moment I'm advised that I have a late amount of taxes due, I receive notice of delinquent taxes that Mark Krupski has filed in district court here in the southeastern, in this district court for our region, right? That court thing, whatever that is, you're also not allowed to know whatever's going on there. So notice of delinquent taxes he filed in court, in district court of the state of Minnesota. So I had wondered what's going on, because right at that period of time, after this was filed, my credit score went from 839 to 810. Now, I had noticed that drop and wondered why. So if you're going to question your taxes with Mark Krupski's office and you're thinking about signing up to speak on the microphone, be advised that I did that about 7 years ago. And one of his employees shouted out some really awful stuff from the back of the room. And this is long before I became involved in politics here in Olmsted County, which I've become famous for. But these people apparently don't know me very well. I was promised an apology by Mark Krupski's office. I was promised a written apology. He apologized himself, but the person making those remarks was supposed to have penned me a written apology for having shouted out from the back of the room while I was simply questioning the numbers of the taxes. So before you come in and question Mark Krupski and try to speak on the microphone, just be advised that there's consequences for being engaged in what this government terms oppositional politics. If you're going to step up and speak out and do that from your heart, your mind, your soul, your balls, or your ovaries, ladies, if you're going to do that in Olmsted County and let those words come out of your mouth, you're going to end up in a little bit of trouble. Mark Krupski, in my opinion, has a problem with numbers. He could have just reached out and spoken to me, but instead he ended up filing in district court that I was late on my taxes of $14 and, not to put too fine a point on it, $14.04. And he couldn't reach out to a constituent of this community. He has to tax me and he has to assess a penalty and interest on $14.04 because I was allegedly late on taxes I paid Friday, October 15th, which his office didn't credit to my account until Saturday the 16th, apparently. The payment didn't come in. I don't know how that works because they're closed on Saturday anyway. But they accepted the payment on Saturday instead of Friday. So I was late. $14.04 and a filing in district court. All right, this has been long enough. See ya. Bye. Let's do better.